what we're doing is these are classy deer hunters, and they don't want trees falling on them when they're up in the stands deer hunting and stuff. So we're coming in here and taking the dead trees out of the way for them. So all they got to do is just come in here, sit in their little deer stand, which is probably air conditioned.
Don't have to worry about a widowmaker.
Yeah, don't have to worry about a widowmaker. I wouldn't be surprised if these deer stands in here are air conditioned.
That could be. Little coffee pot
Yeah,
maker on the side.
that TV up there. You know.
Satellite dish.
Tree job. All right, gentleman hired us. I think it was Kevin set that one up, and hired us to go out and get some trees. There were dead trees all over his property, and I think he deer hunts back there and stuff. And he didn't want these trees falling over on his deer stand and things like that. People getting hurt out there, so he asked us to go out there and see if we could remove some of them for him.
I think we had to move about, I guess, three or four, something like that. And some man that Kevin knows hired us to come out there. I don't know what the guy's name was, but Kevin knows him. So he hired us to come out there and knock some of them trees down, which didn't go very well.
Well, my theory is if a tree's too rotten, you start sawing it, it may crush in on itself. So maybe, if it's rotten enough, you can create a cavity for the boom stuff to go into the cavity. You might want to notch out a little notch in the back, a relief cut, and should blow out the center if it's fully rotten. Hard as it can be inside. It's all rotten on the outside, but right there it's just as hard as it can be.
Sounds hollow though.
Yeah. I'll get right into it. What do you want to do? Stick between the two? Stick it at the base down there.
I think I cut it up some more.
Keep going.
Keep going. Make it kind of deep.
Right.
As deep as you can without. I'll watch for the widowmaker.
Right.
Well, it won't be a widowmaker. We're not married.
Yeah, that's it.
Trying to be serious, ain't well, we're trying to think safety and
If he get it all up in there,
I got that turn right next to me.
yeah, if it's a tree that's not fully rotten, then you can control the direction of where it's going to fall. You'll know which way it's going to fall.
We use stuff we call boom, and it's faster than trying to cut a tree down. We just notch the tree, because it's an old dead tree anyways, and we tape this boom to the side of the tree and we shoot it with a gun. It blows up, knocks the tree over. Simple process. We get back, it tells us to get back 100 yards. Well, we don't ever do that. For some reason, Mike likes to have his face right up there when we shoot something. And so we get back a good piece, probably 25, 30 yards away. Kevin gets his gun lined up, set up on that boom boom, hollers fire in the hole. Next thing you know, boom.
Where?
What's that?
I would expect, I mean, there was trees, all brush and everything else. You'd have never thought in a million years that something would have come that far, especially to make it through all of that, just like somebody come through there. You don't want to think about it. I wonder if David made a path or something for that thing to come through there.
I was gonna let it float in the water. By the tree. There ain't no fish down there, they floating right here. This is where we're gonna catch fish. Right here good? So set it on the tree or in the water? Can you see that? Which one you want? To blow the tree up or what? Ma'am? That's all right, go ahead. Dude, this water's boat's filling up with water. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring the boat back because it's filling up with water. That's pretty daggone close to the water. That's fine. I trust Kevin. All right, go ahead, Kevin. Clear. It's gonna be loud. Right in the middle. Hey Dave, I don't think if things are made to sit in that water like that, because that's the second time that's happened. I don't think those orange things, I don't think it's waterproof enough. I don't either, because that's happened, what, twice, I think. You owe me $13. That was your idea. You said it.
Well, when you use a chainsaw, sometimes it didn't work, sometimes they do work, and we like a little excitement. You know, Kevin and Mike like to blow up things, so give them a chance.
What do you think about it, Kevin? Dang it, didn't even knock the bark off.
No, too solid down there.
That is solid.
But we found it weak up a little higher.
Let me know when you're ready.
Everybody ready? Let me know when you're ready, kid. Holler, hey. Clear!
Everybody clear. Fixing to be fire in the hole.
Funniest thing, I'm off to the side, and we've got another cameraman, and he's watching, and he's got this camera going like this and watching, filming everything, but you could see this thing, a boom boom, going like a gun, like a shotgun shell, going across his head, and bless his heart, I saw he peed in his pants.
The camera guys once got the experience. The empty container flew right by his old head, but he never moved with that camera though. Which I'm always brave, you know, it's just the other ones I had to coach them in there with me, you know. And we got in there, it was a little too close, because I felt that through David's belly, because David was in front of him. And I felt it through his belly, man. That's pretty close there.
In my opinion, it's not the safest. I'd rather take it down at a distance.